How to add size chart to product page in Shopify. Hello everyone, I'm Jason, and in this tutorial I'll be breaking down step by step how to add a size chart or a size guide to your Shopify product pages, as this is very important once you are selling any clothing or apparel, as one of the main reasons why persons tend to do returns when they purchase clothing online is because they have purchased the wrong size. Now, to ensure that this doesn't happen to you, the best thing that we can do is go into our Shopify admin. Then we are going to select settings in the bottom left hand corner. After selecting settings, what I want you to do is scroll down. Then you are going to tap on apps and sales channel from the left hand menu option. Then you are going to select Shopify App Store. And by the way, there are other ways to add a size chart to your Shopify store, but I have found out that this is the quickest and easiest way. So you are going to type in size chart in the search bar. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to this page. And from here, we are going to select Kiwi Size Chart and Recommender. After you have selected this app, what I want you to do is simply tap on Install, and you are going to add the app. And as you can see, it has quite a high ratings and it also has good reviews. After you have added the app, you will be redirected to this dashboard. Select Styles and Settings from the left hand menu option. After you have selected Styles and Settings, you will be redirected to this page on which you'll be able to edit the size chart, as this is a template right here that you can look at how it will look, and you can select size chart from the menu option right here. After selecting size chart, you can decide whether you would like it to be in inches or centimeter, so you can select the option that you would like to use right there. You can also select whether you would want to show unit types in the table header. You are going to scroll down and you can select that. And you can also select the table styles, as you can see right here. Finish editing it. What you are going to do next, you are going to go over to the top right hand corner and you are going to select Save Settings. And by the way, you can also set up international chart styles if you want, but this would be only available on the premium plan, and we are using the free plan at the moment. Once you have finished doing that, you are going to select Products from the left hand menu option. And after selecting Products, you are going to tap on View Products without size chart. Then from here, you can select the product that you would like to add the size chart to. So for example, I will add a size chart to this product, so I will tap on it. Then in the top right hand corner, you are going to see Add New Size Chart. You are going to tap on that. Then from here, you can select what type of size chart you'd like to add, depending on the apparel or what you are selling. So for example, I'll add one for tops. So I'll tap on tops. Then from here, I'll simply tap on Save in the top right hand corner. And by the way, you can see it right there. If I were to preview it, tap on Preview right here, you can see how the size chart will look, as you can see right there. Then you'll simply tap on the X right here to close it, and you're going to select Save. Here you are going to select Styles and Settings. After selecting Styles and Settings, if your online store has a password, as you can see mine does, you are going to tap right where you see you can find your store password here. You're going to tap right there, as we'll need to get the password to complete the validation of this app. And once on this page, you can scroll down to find the password. So you can scroll all the way down and you can see your password right here. Or if you'd like to remove the password, you can also do that. But we are going to go back into Kiwi. Then we are going to tap Please click here, and we are going to enter the password. Then we are going to tap on OK. After you have selected OK, just give it a few seconds. And as you can see right there, it is now preview your size injection, and you can select how you would like the size chart display whether inline, link modal, or button modal. And for example, if I were to tap on preview size injection, after you have added the password, you will see right here size chart display mode. So you can select whether you would want it inline, as you can see right here, or you can select link modal, and you can see how it will look. It will be a pop-up link, or you can select whether you want it button modal. For this example, I'll select inline. So after selecting inline, you're going to tap on Save Settings in the top right hand corner. After you have saved settings, you are now going to go back into products, and we are going to view the product. So we are going to tap on the that we had added the size chart to view it, to see if the size chart is on it. Now we're going to see the product that the size chart is on. So we have selected products from the left hand menu option. Then remember, I added it to this example, which would be the headlamp. So to preview it, all I'll have to do is tap on view, and you can see it right here. All I'll have to do is scroll down, and you can see the size chart. So just give it a few seconds. I'm scrolling down. You can see it right there. Here is the size chart, and that's how it would look, as you can see it right here. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.